In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, build, and run a Cbot in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank project to a running algorithm on your chart with a clear understanding of each step and what to look out for along the way. Start by opening Ctrader on your PC. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in the section where you can access your automated trading tools. You'll find the Cbots area in the left panel. This is where all your algorithmic projects live and where you'll manage them. Next, click Cbots, then choose Create New Cbot. A small window will appear asking for a name. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects what the bot does, then click OK. Good naming helps you stay organized, especially as your library grows. You'll be taken straight into the code editor. Here, you can write your logic from scratch or paste in a template you've prepared. If you're starting out, a basic template with the onStart, onTick, and onStop methods is a great way to structure your bot. Keep your code readable and comment important sections so you can remember why you did something later. If you're pasting code, double check that any references or namespaces used are available in your environment. When you're ready to test the syntax, click Build in the top right. Ctrader will compile your code and let you know if there are any errors or warnings. If you see messages in the output, read them carefully. They usually tell you the exact line and issue. Fix any problems, then build again until it completes successfully. With a clean build, it's time to load your bot onto a chart. Drag your Cbot from the Cbots panel onto the chart of the symbol you want to trade. Make sure you've selected the correct market and time frame for your strategy. A settings window may appear, allowing you to adjust parameters such as risk, lot size, or any custom inputs you added in your code. To start the bot, click the play button, the triangle icon. The status will change to indicate it's running. Keep an eye on the chart and the logs for messages or errors, and monitor positions to ensure behavior matches your expectations. When you want to stop the bot, click the stop button, the square icon. This halts execution cleanly. Confirm that no unintended positions remain open and save any changes you've made to your code for next time. That's the full workflow. Create, build, attach, run, and stop your Cbot in Ctrader.